This is first standard social studies, 8th lesson. The lesson name is protection from accidents. Here is a rhyme time. Knife and blade, touch them not. Boiling water is too hot. Running and fighting on the stairs make you fall down. Oh my dear, be careful. Okay, this is the rhyme. Rajat was running on the wet floor. He fell down and hurt himself. This is an accident. Accidents can happen to anybody. It may occur anytime. So we should always be careful. Remember the following. See, in this lesson we are going to learn about the types of accident and how to protect us from such accidents. Okay. See that Rajat was running on the floor. That floor was wet. If the floor is wet means definitely you will fall, isn't it? So that Rajat was running and that floor was wet and he fell down and he hurt. Okay, this is called as an accident. Accidents can happen to anybody and it may occur anytime. Okay, so we should always be careful and we should remember the following. At home, keep away from sharp objects like knife and blade. Don't touch electric device with wet hands. Do not put your fingers into the switchboard. At home, how to protect us from the sharp objects? See, what we have to do at home, we should not touch the sharp objects like knife and blade, and we should not touch the electric devices. Okay, switchboard and with wet hand, so that we should not touch the electric devices with wet hand. Okay, don't insert your finger into the switchboard. If you put your fingers inside the switchboard means you will get shock. Okay, let us turn the page and don't play or run or fight on the stairs. We should not play or run or fight on the staircase. Okay, do not play with fire. Definitely we should not play with fire. If you play with the fire means you will get fire accidents. Okay, look at the roof of this house. See, can you see in the picture that it does not have any boundary? For that roof, no, it's not having boundary. So don't play or fly kites on such roofs. If the roof is not having boundary means you should not play and also should not fly kites on the roof. Okay, don't spill soap in the bathroom. If you spill soap in the bathroom means definitely you will fall in the bathroom. At school, don't play in an open field. The field should have high boundary walls. Be careful while playing near pointed fence. Okay, don't throw any objects on other students. That is a bad habit. If you throw anything on other children means it's a bad habit and they will get injured. Okay, so you should not throw any object on the other student. Do not fight or make a noise in the school bus. Stand in a queue while waiting for the bus. You should not make noise or don't fight inside the school bus. You should make a queue and stand in a queue while waiting for the bus. Okay, on road, don't play on the road. Do not talk while crossing the road. You should not play on the road and you should not talk and cross the road. If you do like that means definitely accident will occur. Okay, always cross the road at the zebra crossing. You can see the zebra crossing here. You have to cross on the zebra crossing only. Okay, don't drive in a rash. You should not drive speed rash. Okay, rash driving is not safe. Okay, don't drive in a rash. Maintain a medium speed of your vehicle. Next, first aid. In case any accident occurs, we need first aid. First aid is the first medical help given to a person after the accident. After that, the person can go to the doctor. See children, in case of accident, we need first aid. So that first aid means what? The first medical help given to the person after the accident. Okay, after that first aid only we can go to the doctor, isn't it? So that first aid means first aid is the first medical help given to a person after the accident. After the first aid only we can go to the doctor. So that I hope all of you understood the types of accident and how to protect us from the such accidents. Okay,